Welcome to Pronada Natural Health Tips, your #1 channel for time-tested, natural remedies and holistic wellness solutions. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful spice that you probably have in your kitchen, but might not know how healing it really is. We're talking about clove, yes, that tiny dried bud with a strong aroma and even stronger medicinal powers. Stick with us till the end, because you'll be amazed at how something so small can fight pain, regulate blood sugar, kill bacteria, and much more. Let's explore the 15 incredible health benefits of clove you need to know. Cloves are the dried flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, native to Indonesia but now used worldwide. They've been a staple in traditional medicine systems such as Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and even ancient African remedies for centuries. Cloves are rich in nutrients including eugenol, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. Vitamin C, vitamin K. Manganese, calcium, magnesium. And several beneficial flavonoids and essential oils. Now let's unpack the incredible health benefits cloves have to offer. Here are top 15 health benefits of clove. 1. Natural pain reliever. Clove oil has been used for centuries as a natural anesthetic, especially for toothaches and gum pain. The compound eugenol numbs the area and reduces inflammation. Simply placing a clove on the painful tooth or rubbing clove oil mixed with a carrier oil can offer quick relief. 2. Antibacterial powerhouse. Cloves have strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. They can kill harmful bacteria like E. coli, Staphylococcus, and even the fungus Candida albicans. That's why clove is often used in mouthwashes, herbal cleansers, and wound dressings. 3. Controls blood sugar level. For those managing diabetes, cloves may help regulate blood glucose by enhancing insulin function and improving glucose uptake in cells. Drinking clove tea or adding clove powder to meals could help manage spikes in sugar levels. 4. Supports digestive health. Clove helps stimulate digestive enzymes, reduce gas, prevent constipation, and ease bloating. A pinch of clove powder in warm water after meals can significantly boost digestion. 5. Fights inflammation. The eugenol in clove reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, making it great for people suffering from arthritis, muscle pain, or autoimmune conditions. Clove oil massages can soothe aching joints. 6. Boosts liver health. The liver is our body's natural detox center. Clove compounds help in liver detoxification and may even protect against fatty liver disease and cirrhosis. 7. Enhances respiratory function. Struggling with cough, asthma, or bronchitis. Clove is a natural expectorant. Boil it with ginger and honey for a powerful home remedy that clears the lungs and eases breathing. 8. Improves oral health. Clove is a key ingredient in many traditional toothpastes and mouthwashes. It fights plaque, bad breath, gum disease, and even oral bacteria that cause cavities. 9. Promotes skin health. Clove oil, when diluted, is a natural remedy for acne, blemishes, and skin infections. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects make it ideal for clearing pores and soothing the skin. 10. Supports heart health. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in clove may lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and improve blood circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease. 11. May aid in weight loss. Clove boosts metabolism and aids in fat burning. It also helps curb sugar cravings and supports healthy digestion, important factors in weight management. 12. Improves bone density. Thanks to its high manganese content, clove supports bone strength and mineral density. This is especially beneficial for aging adults and women with osteoporosis risk. 13. Enhances libido and fertility. In traditional medicine, clove is used as a natural aphrodisiac. It increases blood flow, enhances stamina, and may even improve testosterone levels. 14. May help fight cancer cells. Preliminary studies show that clove extract may have anti-cancer properties, especially against lung, breast, and colon cancer cells. While more research is needed, its antioxidant profile is promising. 15. Boosts immune system. With its antiviral, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties, clove strengthens the immune system, helping your body fight infections and stay resilient year-round. Let me show you how to use clove. There are many easy ways to enjoy the benefits of clove. Clove tea: steep 2 to 3 whole cloves in hot water for 10 minutes. Add ginger or cinnamon for extra flavor. Clove oil: mix a few drops with coconut or olive oil and apply to the skin, gums, or chest. Never use undiluted oil directly. Powdered clove: add a pinch to soups, smoothies, or oats. Inhaling clove steam: great for colds and blocked sinuses. As a spice, add to your cooking, soups, rice, teas, and meats. Important notice: clove is potent, so moderation is key. Stick to 1 to 2 cloves a day if taken regularly. While clove is natural, it's not for everyone. Here are a few precautions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women: always consult a doctor. People on blood-thinning medications: eugenol may increase bleeding risk. Children under 12, avoid undiluted clove oil. High doses can lead to nausea, dizziness, or liver irritation. If you have a medical condition, talk to your healthcare provider before using clove medicinally. Clove is more than just a kitchen spice, it's a natural pharmacy in a bud. Have you tried clove for health before? Let us know your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Pronada Natural Health Tips. We bring you safe, effective, and traditional solutions for modern health problems, naturally. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our next powerful remedy. Thank you for watching, and remember, your healing begins with nature.